In front of me is Redmi Note 14S, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Google. Now choose All Services to scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Then use this switcher to activate it. Hit Google Password Manager and select Add Password at the top. Now input all of those informations. At the top you can pick any website or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and last but not least, take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!